Here's how to translate any WhatsApp chat with just a few taps. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Search for WhatsApp and open its app page. If you see an update button, tap on it. This translation feature is fairly new, so make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Once WhatsApp is updated, exit the App Store and open WhatsApp. Now go to the conversation that contains the message you want to translate. Press and hold the message you want to translate. From the menu, tap on More. Then select Translate from the options. Choose the language you want to translate from and the language you want to translate to. The translated version will appear below the original message, making it easy to understand. WhatsApp currently doesn't let you translate an entire conversation or multiple messages at once. You'll need to translate them one by one. And that's it.